Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now it looks as though Nigeria's Chief Justice has resigned due to allegations of corruptly enriching himself from his office, thereby ending a long and illustrious legal career in disgrace. I bring you this. Onnoghen resigns over graft charges. Nigeria's most senior judge has resigned, his lawyer said on Friday, less than 2 months after he was charged with non-declaration of assets that government critics said was politically motivated. Yes, he resigned, Chief Justice Walter Onnoghen's lawyer, Adegboyega Owomolo, said, whilst giving further details. President Muhammadu Buhari suspended Onnoghen just weeks before elections in February, prompting outrage and claims he was trying to manipulate the judiciary. Buhari said in January that apart from the grievous allegations in a petition against Onnoghen, the security agencies have since then traced other suspicious transactions running into millions of dollars to the Chief Justice of Nigeria's personal accounts, all undeclared or improperly declared as required by law. He said the suspended CGN's excuse that non-declaration was due to mistake and forgetfulness was not known to law. As head of the Supreme Court, Onnoghen could have ruled on any dispute relating to the election, which saw Buhari of the All Progressive Congress (APC) win a second term in office. His beaten rival, Atiku Abubakar, from the People's Democratic Party (PDP), has launched a legal challenge to the result after calling the election a sham. Onnoghen's resignation came a day after the regulatory body of the judges, the National Judicial Council (NJC), recommended that he should compulsorily resign from service. Onnoghen was charged with failing to declare foreign currency bank accounts in contravention of rules governing declaration of assets for public officials. Buhari then suspended and replaced him, prompting accusations of executive overreach and even an attempted coup against the judiciary. Lawyers protested on the streets. A request to remove the Chief Justice normally has to be approved by 2/3 majority in the Senate. Buhari expressed frustration that the Supreme Court had overturned a number of corruption convictions, including some of opposition politicians. Further adding to claims the case was politically motivated was the initial complaint, which was made by former spokesman to Buhari. Onnoghen has since appeared before the Code of Conduct Tribunal, which rules on alleged breaches of ethics involving public officials. The embattled judge denied the charges and this week closed his defense at the tribunal after calling one witness. Final submissions are due on April 5. So there you have it. Justice Walter Onnoghen has resigned, and he of course will be replaced by Buhari apologist. We all know that he already has his apologist in place as a temporary measure anyway, so he'll just go on and confirm the northerner that he wants there. So that's that. So now Justice Onnoghen has been suspended and he has subsequently resigned his position because he has been found to have had monies that could not be accounted for. Now, if all political appointees and all politicians in Nigeria were held to this standard, how many of them do you think will be in any post in Nigeria? This is a conversation for the comment section, so come join me in the comment section. Let's talk Justice Walter Onnoghen and corrupt practices in Nigeria. But before you come join me in the comment section to have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, come join me in the comment section where we can have this important conversation. But for now, I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.